Hey there, Siddharth Rajshekar here. Would you like to learn how to make over 2 lakh rupees per webinar in 90 minutes? Okay, now I'm not going to promise you that you can achieve this. I'm going to give you the system. And just to give you this month, I'm recording this video on December 13th. And in the last 3 webinars that I've done, I've already crossed over 14.69 lakhs in my webinar sales. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you, it is not just some theory stuff, it is practical stuff. And by the end of this, if you stay till the end of this particular video, I'm actually going to give you a mind map where I'm going to cover everything. I'm going to talk about the concepts of how webinar selling happens. 2 is what are the steps that you need to follow so that you can get those conversions in a webinar. And number 3 is I'm going to give you the precise formula that you can start implementing right away. Again, a quick disclaimer, even though I'm going to be sharing with you this formula, I cannot guarantee you that you'll get results fast. Okay, it depends on your level of commitment. It also depends on what kind of a product that you have to sell and whether you're able to do the marketing in the right possible way to get the right audience in. Okay, but this stuff I'm doing on a daily, weekly basis. Okay, pulling out 2.5 lakhs per webinar is normal. I've done even some webinars where I've crossed over 10 lakh rupees in a single webinar, and I follow the same principle. So let's get in, take a lot of notes, and I'm going to share this step by step. Okay, let's get in. So the first concept I want to share with you is that when it comes to selling any kind of product, forget about webinar. Okay, any product or any service, people need to first buy you. Only then they will buy your product. Okay, people need to buy you first. Only then they'll buy your product. And to the extent that you can demonstrate your value even before the start of the webinar or the actual content of the webinar, to that extent, people will be ready to buy a product from you. Okay. The second thing is selling is a system. It is not just giving information. There's a step-by-step system that you need to follow. And I learned this the hard way by trying and testing different things. And previously I used to be a trainer. I used to do a lot of trainings and workshops. And there was a moment in my life where when I had to sell my product, I was just training and nobody bought my product because I did not understand sales. So selling is a system, and selling in a webinar also is a system. And if you want to get the right kind of conversions in a webinar, if you want to pull out 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees in a single webinar, you need to understand that the message has to match the market, and the market and the offer needs to match the market. So the message to market to offer match needs to be there. Only then you can expect any kind of results. If your message to market match is not there, you'll have less people in the webinar. If a lot of people come to the webinar, but if they don't buy your product, it means that the offer is not matching the market. Or maybe you're giving too much of information that they feel that they can do it on their own. They're not ready to buy your product. Or maybe they feel there's lack of clarity in the offer itself that you're giving them. Okay. So till this point, if you're really finding this useful, just type super useful in the comment box, because this is the most important concept before I even get into the steps. Okay, type super useful. Even if you're watching this recording on Facebook or YouTube or anywhere, I want you to type super useful in the comment box and hit that like button and make sure that you smash that like button. Okay, because I'm going to give you the 10 steps right now. So here are the 10 steps, starting with step number 1. If you want to learn, how to make money with webinars from scratch, 2.5 lakh rupees per webinar. First step is find a problem to solve, because people will come to your webinar only if they know that they're going to get a solution to their problem. Okay. So your webinar title should be a problem solution focused title. It cannot just be a generic title. If you're doing a webinar like, YouTube masterclass. Okay. But if you do a webinar like how to generate 1,000 subscribers in the next 30 days using YouTube webinar, now that becomes so much more powerful. Okay. Next, the second step is you'll have to create a product or a service that can solve that problem. Whether you're offering a course or you're offering a service or a consultancy, whatever may be the case, you need to actually engineer a solution to that problem, which you're going to be offering at the end of that webinar. And there has to be a transaction at that point. Okay. So one option is if you're selling a digital product, like what I do is I sell my courses, the transaction happens very fast. People make the payment and then they get my course. But if you're selling a service, then you need to actually get them to make a commitment in terms of booking. Like for example, if you're selling a YouTube service and you're going to be offering them like a consultancy or an agency service where you're going to do some work for them, you need to make them book their position in that webinar by making a transaction. And that service delivery, what you're going to offer them, has to be engineered even before your webinar. The third step is you need to then attract the right audience once this plan is ready. Now you can attract the audience through paid and free methods. The paid methods, you can run Facebook ads, Google ads, that's the easy part. Free methods, you could do YouTube videos like this, and you can also do podcasts. You can do other forms of content on Instagram and other places to attract audience to come to your webinar for free if you have a really catchy topic. And that's what I teach inside my community. If you come inside my community, I'll teach you step by step, all of this. Number 4 is you then need to follow up so that people can attend your webinar. Because just when they register for the webinar, they may be excited and interested, but unless you're able to nurture that lead and give them more information about the webinar and what kind of solution they're going to be getting in that webinar, they will not show up. And that's why the show up rates are very, very low today, because there are so many webinars happening and everybody is screaming for attention. So if you want to get the attention of somebody, have a good follow-up process. You can follow up through SMS, through email, by sending them useful, valuable videos to pre-frame them so that they can even come for the webinar. Okay. Number 5 is once they come into your webinar, you have to set the context and you got to set the framework for people to stay in the webinar till the end of the webinar. Okay, and this is what I teach inside my webinar selling formula. I have a detailed course on this, but just to give you an idea, when people come for the webinar, the most important thing is you have to keep their attention. The attention span needs to be there. If you're not able to get their attention span, then they will not stay till the end. Okay, I'm going to share the mind map once again. Okay, so you need to find the problem to solve, create a product, attract the right audience, follow up, and context. You got to frame the people to stay till the end. So what I would do is I would say that, if you stay till the end of this webinar, I'm going to give you some gifts. Or if you stay till the end of the webinar, I'm going to give you something which other people do not get. Okay, something like that, where you open a loop to keep people staying till the end, and you deliver that the promise at the end of the webinar. You actually give them the gifts at the end of the webinar. I'll tell you that towards the end. And you also set the context in terms of how can people ask you questions, when they can ask you questions. And I tell people you ask me questions only at the end. So when you set the framework really tight, you'll have a better learning experience. You'll have a better retention rate in your webinars, and you'll have more engaged listeners than just, casual people coming in and going out. In fact, I tell people in the start of my webinar that if you are not willing to spend the next 90 minutes, you can leave. In fact, I use the reverse psychology to get people to stick in the webinar. Okay. So that's point number 5. Number 6 is your content needs to over deliver value. Like, you have to really give people a breakthrough. Like I mentioned, nobody's going to buy you. Nobody's going to buy your product unless they buy you. And they will buy you only to the extent that you are able to deliver the value and they're able to see that you can really provide them a solution for what they're looking out for. Okay. So you can share your 3 secrets to make it simple. Don't share too much of content to overload them with information, but make it simple. Okay. Simplification is the key over here when it comes to webinar sales. Number 7 is your offer needs to be really irresistible. Like, when you get into the offer, you need to have a value stack. Like, don't just sell them one product. You tell them that this is your main product and you have a few bonuses and a few other things to give them so that it really sweetens the deal. Okay. And I use a rule called the 10x rule, which I anyway share inside my course, where if you're going to be selling something for say 10,000 rupees, you need to be giving them at least 1 lakh rupees worth of value in terms of all the bonuses put together. Then you'll have better conversions in your webinar. It has to be an irresistible offer. Irresistible more in terms of if the bonuses are really solving the problem of your audience, and if you're giving them a really great deal only for that part in the webinar, which is with the limiter, like you can either give them an offer only for 15 minutes, or if you're doing if you're selling a service, you can say you only have 5 spots or 10 spots left. Okay, but you got to honor that. Don't say 5 spots left and take 10 people. People can sense that. Okay, you cannot be doing something which is really not going to be in the limiter. Okay, it has to be what you say. Only then people will trust you, and you have to be congruent with it. That's point number 7. Number 8 is once you complete the offer, many people will have questions. Do the questions and answers after you finish your sales pitch. Then what will end up happening is you can remove all the resistances and all the questions that people may have at that point of time. You can clarify it, and you can give another opportunity for them to actually buy your product. And which is what I do after Q&A. I normally give gifts to all the non-buyers so that people, this is the point that I would say. I tell people, if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you gifts. This is where I give away the gifts. And there are some people who may not buy a product for whatever situation. Maybe their money situation is not there. They're not ready for it right now. But when you give them a gift, you're establishing a deeper connection and bond with them. Okay, so it's really good to have that given towards the end. And after you're given the gifts, you can do a second sales push and make it a very soft sales push. And you can say, give them another chance. For those people who now they're able to see that their resistances are removed and they've got the gifts, they see that you're really having the right intent to serve them. At that point of time, you'll end up getting a few more sales. Okay, this is how you maximize, and this is how you maximize your entire process of generating over 2 lakh rupees per webinar. Now, in order to generate 2 lakh rupees per webinar, considering that you are selling, just do like a quick math calculation. If you're selling a product which is say a 5,000 rupee course, okay. So if you have to generate 250,000 rupees in a webinar, you need to be generating at least 50 sales. And the average webinar conversion ratio is between 10 to say 20%. Okay, if you're selling a 5,000 rupee product. So if you multiply 50 into 5, you need to be having at least 250 to 500 people in your webinar. Okay, so let's say 500 people. And to achieve that 500 people in a webinar, you got to spend money on ads and attract people. And that's what I teach. So as long as you're able to achieve that 2x ROAS. So if you're going to be spending 1 rupee on ads, and if you're going to be getting 2 rupees out in terms of total webinar conversions, that is the ultimate. So in order to generate 2.5 lakh rupees in a webinar, assume that you're going to be spending at least 1.25 lakhs or 1 lakh rupees for a webinar. It is still a profitable business to move forward. Okay. So this is anyway what I teach inside. So the formula is very, very simple. Okay. Before I share this, just type in the comment box, if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, are you finding this valuable? Just type super valuable in the comment box. Please share that, because this is high value information. This practical information. It is not just some theory stuff. It is working for me. And this will work for people to the degree to which they're able to go in depth to fix each of these 10 pieces. Okay. And most people who do not get results, who are not getting the kind of conversions that they're looking for, is because they may not be diligent in one of these 10 areas, and which is the reason why I want to invite you into my community. Okay. So the formula is this: 1 is get a mentor, 2 is follow a system. And I've given you a system right now. Just follow the system step by step. And number 3 is take action. It's very simple. Most people like to learn and watch videos. And if you're somebody who's watching videos on YouTube day after day after day, but not taking action, I'm telling you this: stop watching videos and start taking action. If you have watched this video, I want you to take action, because just taking, knowing something and not doing anything about it is equal to not knowing. And I don't want you to be in that situation. I want you to be an action taker, because the intent of me recording this video for you is so that you can achieve that result. Because you're searching for that, right? You're searching for what? How to make money with webinars from scratch. And I'm teaching you from scratch how do you do it. All you have to do now is take action. So I'm going to give you a next step. Are you ready for the next step? Okay, now here's your next step. What I would like you to do, I'm going to give you 3 options. First option is, if you want to attend a free training of mine and learn on how I'm actually helping over 9,000 people take their knowledge and make it into a business, go to this link: sids.co/formula. Learn my formula. Okay, this is my webinar selling formula. I'm going to give you my knowledge business formula over there. It's a 30 minutes video. At the end of that video, I want to be sharing with you my products. You can buy my products. Okay, you can get into my coaching system by going through my videos, my automated training. The second option that I have for you is, those of you who want to be connected with me even after this, join my Facebook VIP group. I have a VIP group with over 60,000+ people over there, and I will continue to add value over there. So I want our relationship to continue even after this video. Let's not end at this video. Okay. I want you to stay connected with me even on Facebook, in my Facebook group. And the third option is, let's say if you're someone who's really convinced about what I'm doing, and if you can see the value in what I'm providing, if you want to directly buy my course, you can go to sids.co/course and just pick it up. Just pick it up directly, because I know some of you may be wanting to go on the fast track, not waiting to go through another training and things like that. Okay. So that's it. I just want to sign off, and I want to thank you for being till the end of this video. And please stay connected with me. Hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. I want you to also follow me on Facebook, on my Facebook page. By the way, if you're watching this on Facebook, I want you to tag somebody that you know who is a knowledge giver, somebody who's a coach or a trainer, maybe your friend or your family member who's on Facebook. Just tag their name in the comments below, and I'll be looking into those comments, and I'll personally acknowledge the fact that you're helping somebody else take this information forward, because this information, I can guarantee you this, if you apply this, it can change your life. Cheers. God bless. Looking forward to more videos like this. I'm looking forward to sharing more information like this, and stay connected. God bless. Bye-bye.